Welcome to CrystalMaker 11. This tutorial introduces you to the slab automation feature, which we added in version 11.6. CrystalMaker has always allowed you to create surfaces and parallel-sided slabs, but this typically involved a series of steps with slicing of layers. Now the process has been automated, and it lets you specify both the slab diameter and its thickness, as well as its orientation. Let's take a look at the spinel structure. Here we have a single unit cell. We're going to use the new slab automation command to create a parallel sided slab to the 111 plane. To do this, we need to go to the Transform menu and we choose the new Surface submenu and the Create Slab item. We're prompted to specify an orientation, the plane of our new slab, its thickness in angstrom units, and its diameter. There's also the option to remove any existing lattice planes. It's always good to turn that on. We'll use the default settings here, so I'll just click the OK button to continue. We now have a slab parallel to 111, and you can see that the program has generated the requisite number of atoms and the requisite number of unit cells. We're going to tidy this up by hiding the unit cell, and the easiest way to do that is via our contextual menu, Hide Unit Cell. I'm also going to switch to a space filling model so we can focus on the visible surfaces rather than the interior of the model. And let's zoom up, and we're going to auto rotate this about the slab normal. As you can see, it really is a parallel-sided slab. In fact, this slab is demarcated by 6 crystal planes, which are listed on the right-hand side in the Planes Inspector, which the program has helpfully opened up for us. Now we can make these planes visible by turning on their checkboxes. And I'm going to color the planes by symmetry using the Planes Inspector's Color by Symmetry command. And we'll hide the planes that extend outside the slab by switching into Shape mode. And now you can see the boundaries used to define our crystal slab. Now, what happens if we want to change the thickness of the slab? We could run the command again, specifying a different thickness and possibly a different diameter, or we can edit it by moving these planes in the Planes Inspector. And you'll find more details about how to use the Planes Inspector in our tutorials on crystal shapes. But let's have a go now. We're going to expand the 111 group. There are 2 planes here, 111 orientations and different positions. And let's take the upper plane and we're going to move it slightly further in space. And now we need to click on the resize popover. And we need to show all of the atoms in the crystal block and then slice them using our block of planes. And if we turn on live shape mode, then we can interactively adjust the size of our shape. Turning off live shape mode, and hiding the planes gives us back the crystal structure unencumbered by bounding planes. So that's a quick look at the slab automation introduced in CrystalMaker 11.6. We were able to instantly generate a parallel-sided slab in our chosen orientation and with our specified diameter and thickness. And we then used the planes inspector to interactively change the slab thickness.